Hi guys, this is me, IMM. So, I will be doing a makeup again. It's do makeup. It's actually my one week doing makeup. Hindi po ako expert sa pag-makeup. First time ko lang din pong matutong mag-makeup. I'm already 25 years old back then. Ngayon na ako nagkaroon ng opportunity to practice makeup, to do makeup. So that's why I bought this cute little makeup bag. So let's do a little bag raid. So first of all, what inside my bag are my clips. Di pala clips. My palette and my clip and more hair tie. And then I also have my makeup brushes. And then I have my eye curler. And here we go. Let's start muna sa mga powder and lipstick. So I have 4 actually. This is a crayon lipsticks from Pocalor. Most of the product inside of this bag is from Pocalor. So I have this 2 lipsticks. It's a crayon lipstick. Ganito siya. Diba? This one is a shade of 06 and this one is 03. Ito, darker red siya than this one because it's a lighter red. Actually, almost pink. Yeah. And then, I also have this lipsticks. I only have 4 lipsticks inside of this bag. So yeah, this is also from Pocalor. This one is in a shade of 301. It's super duper red, orange ba? Alam. Pag sa camera, mukha siyang red orange. Pero in real life, siyang dark red. Ayan. Ito naman, ito siya yung parang mas lighter kaysa dun sa isa. This one is a shade in the shade of 403. Ayan. So these are the lipstick that I have. I also have this makeup palette. It's an eyeshadow palette from Pocalor also. Diba? It's nude color lang. Like, yung basic lang talaga. It's my starter pack, no? As a person who just learn makeup. And I also have my brow soap from Pocalor also. I also have this concealer. It's a 5 shade concealer. 5 kind of, ano ba to? Color corrector pala siya. At I also have my blush. It's also from Pocalor, of course. Ayan. Of course, syempre, hindi ito sponsored by Pocalor. Ano lang, nirecommend lang siya sa akin ng friend ko. Actually, ang nirecommend lang sa akin ng friend ko is yung lipstick nila. But then, nakita ko sa parang, ay, mura pala yung mga product nila. So, why not kumpletuhin ko na lang yung makeup kit ko using Pocalor products since I'm a beginner in the world of makeup, so why not start tayo sa mura. And then I also have this one is from BLK naman. It's a, ano bang tawag dito? Parang clay, hindi ko alam eh. But this is in the shade of Room Service. Yeah, Room Service. It's from BLK. Ayan, Pwede siya sa cheeks, pwede din siya sa lips. I also have this face powder. It's from BYS naman. This one is from BYS. So it's just a face powder. And this is a Disney one. Disney collection. And a shade of medium beige. And this one, ito lang yung mga alam ko dating kung paano mag-ayos. Ito yung mga ginagamit ko dati. Ito yung Sassy Lady, Says Lady. And this one is super light shade sa akin. Ayan. So, gamit na to siya. Of course, ayan. Ito naman, matagal na akong meron ito since nag-office pa ako. Ito na yung gamit ko. Tapos ito lang, lipstick. Tapos ito, yun lang talaga yung alam kong gamit. Hindi ako marunong mag-eyeshadow, mag-blush. Nakakapag-blush ako pero hindi ako confident na ilabas. So this one, I have 2 types of concealer. Actually, 2 shades of concealer ng Pocalor. So this one is in the shade of 06 and this is 07. So actually, this is gonna be the second time probably that I'll be using this foundation because I'm still thinking if I'll be using this foundation from Pocalor or the first foundation that I bought from BYS. So, kasi ito talaga yung pinakaunang kong foundation na binili kasabay nitong face powder. Ito yung mga una kong ginamit talaga. So, marami pa siyang laman dahil isang linggo pa nga lang din ako nagme-makeup. And itong mga Pocalor na products na to is kahapon ko lang siya nabili. I mean, kahapon lang siya dumating kasi in-order ko lang siya online. So, ito, yung mga products ng Pocalor, kahapon ko lang siya na-try, kahapon ko lang siya nagamit totally. Malamang kahapon lang dumating din. Tapos, ito talaga ang BYS yung lagi kong nagagamit in the past few days. Except kahapon kasi puro ako Pocalor kahapon. So, that's why I'm thinking if I'll be using this one or this one today. And after that, I also bought the tawag dito, contour. And this is from Pocalor as well. I also have this tawag dito, primer. This primer is from BYS naman. This is a good primer. Wow, kala mo naman talaga. Ito lang naman yung first primer na gamit ko. Pero this one is good. Since I have sensitive skin actually, look, diba? My skin is not perfect. So I use this primer. And I also have this mascara. It's a ano ba tawag dito? Ito for lower lashes. And then the other one is for upper lashes. And this is from Pocalor as well. So Pocalor baby tayo. And BYS as well. And then this one, I just bought this just today. I never tried it before. Actually, na-try ko siya kanina lang. Kung mapapansin nyo, namuli na nga yan kasi kaka-practice ko kanina. Nag-practicean ko na siya. This one is Careline. This is the only product from Careline that I have. So this one is ano tawag dito? Eyeliner. Hindi pa alam. Tapos this one is a concealer from a Disney collection of BYS. And this is in the shade of, I don't know. Walang pangalan. Wala. But this one is from BYS. And lastly, I have this setting spray from Pocalor. So this is all the products that I have. So now, let's start our makeup. Always use primer. mag-primer tayo, no? Para safe ang ating skin. Hindi daw direct sa skin natin yung makeup products. Ayan. So, patuyo-tuyo lang natin ng very digest. Ayan, di ba? Ayan. So, since nakapag-primer na tayo, and normally, hindi ganito yung gagawin, yung ginagawa ko. But since first time kong mag-makeup na may eyeliner, so, napag-isip-isip ko lang na probably itry ko munang mag-eyeliner or dahil yung aking eyeshadow, yung eye makeup bago ko mag-proceed ng foundation, ganyan, and anything. So, ito yung mauuna. But normally, this is not the one. I mean, this is not... O, diba? That's what I'm telling you. Kung bakit siya ang mauuna. Diba? Kaya... dapat talagang inuuna yung ating mata, lalo na pag first timer. Charis. Para madali siyang burahin. Kasi hindi tayo manghinayang na magbura. So, ayan. Tapos, ganyan lang muna. Bali, guide lang natin yan para mamaya. Antay ba? Alam mo, parang okay na ako sa kabila. Eto, ayusin natin to. Diba? O, yun yung sasabi ko, kaya unahin na lang natin to. O, diba? If-video ko nakapag-eyeshadow at nakapag-makeup na ako. Diba? Oh, see? Bakla kasi. Oh, at least diba nabubura natin. Ayun na. Dagdagan na lang natin. Ayan. Hindi ko na alam yung susunod ko. Try na lang natin ito. Ito. Lagay natin siya dito. Tungan natin siya nito ng dark. Dito lang sa diba? Meron yan, pero parang wala. Diba? Trust the process. You'll see the difference later. Antay ka lang. Ayan. Pinaka-best na nagawa ko. Bigyan ng pansinin kung hindi sila pareho. First time ko nag-eyeliner. So, pasensya na. Sa oras kong ginawa yan. So, hayaan mo na. So, ngayon, Let's proceed sa concealer. And then, ayan, nalagyan ko na ng color corrector ang lahat. So, tatakpan na natin siya ng concealer. Let's proceed na sa foundation, which I'll be using the DYS. This is in the shade of medium beige. Oh, diba? And this is the look. And here's the final look, diba? Look. Oh, diba? Hindi mo akakalain. Newbie yan.